In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all your Trello activities and highlights in one place. If you've ever wondered where you can quickly review everything you've worked on across boards and workspaces, this is exactly what you need. Whether you're managing multiple projects, collaborating with a team, or just trying to track your own productivity, Trello has a built-in activity view that makes it incredibly easy to monitor your recent actions. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can access your full activity history in seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main boards page. This is where you can see all the boards you remember of across different workspaces. Think of this as your Trello home base. From here, you can access everything connected to your account, including your personal activity feed. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is your avatar or profile picture. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account settings and personal information. This menu is where you can manage your account, adjust settings, and most importantly for this tutorial, access your activity. From that drop-down menu, click on Activity. As soon as you select it, Trello will take you to your personal activity page. This page is incredibly useful because it shows a chronological feed of everything you've been working on. You'll see actions like cards you've created, cards you've moved, comments you've added, checklists you've updated, and other changes you've made across your boards. Now you can see all your workspaces and activity in one centralized location. This is especially helpful if you're part of multiple teams or managing several projects at once. Instead of opening each board individually to check what you've done, you can simply scroll through this activity feed. It acts like a timeline of your Trello actions, making it much easier to track progress, review updates, or quickly find something you recently modified. If you want to see even more of your past activity, scroll down and click on Load More Activity. Trello will automatically expand the list and display additional actions from earlier dates. You can keep clicking Load More Activity to go further back in your history. This is perfect if you're trying to locate a specific change you made days or even weeks ago. Using this activity view regularly can help you stay organized, monitor your contributions, and maintain visibility over everything you're doing in Trello. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your workflow and stay on top of tasks. And that's it. Now you know how to see all your Trello activities and highlights in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.